DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the building. You don't know what time it is now, gang. When we're in the lab, you don't know what time. It's time to get to work. You see me and say, yeah, man, you see where we're there. We're there back with Swanny. You see me just the idea, Swanny, we dropped a new track the other day. Damn, Barbecue Badness reacted to it. Crazy video. The sea dog in this pretty much saying like you ready to step on shit right now. You know, nigga standing on business. You see me and say, yeah, man. But right now, I go back. You see me, I go back in the time. We react to our early Swanny. This one released a couple months ago. And this one actually requested by a few of our Dan Mafia members. And so I want to make sure everybody get them blood clean short out. You don't know. Yeah, man. So this one stay up, big up yourself, my G. You see me and say, who else requested the one again? Yeah, Dijon requested again. Who else? You see me? A couple people I think requested this one. I want to make sure they get them short out. You see me? I hope the video freeze out. I mean, I have to cut out the part, you know. You see me and say, oh yeah, man, gang. Yeah, I think that's about it. Dijon stay. But yeah, man, today we're there with the Swanny done. You see me and say, the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boss. And today we're there the one I name. Real cash. You see me and say, gang, you see what we are dealing with. You don't know Swanny, Prince Swanny. You see me and say, best out of Trinidad right now. You see me, the top artist, Trinidad artist out of Trinidad right now. You see me and say, yeah, man, gang, but I'll check it out so that I got deal with. I can't believe I haven't listened to this one. You know, listen to almost all Prince Swanny already, you know. So, man, surprised me, know the one. When check it out, gang, so that I got deal with. Let's get it. Iced out. Big up his 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boss.
Last year my Bible 10 gun real cash.
Yeah.
Last night the crime rate run out by 3. Last year my Bible 10 gun real cash.
Easy. Last year I buy about 10 gun, real cash in on. Hey boy, you see me and say, yeah man, don't know say man, nigga well equipped around here. Stop.
Last night the crime rate
gone up 3, crime rate gone up.
by 3.
We run it up.
Last year my Bible 10 gun real cash.
Real.
Last night the crime rate run out by 3.
Last year I buy about 10 gun. Last night the crime rate gone up by 3. You see me and say, man, bossy crime rate like King Va.
Me hear the talk around is I know the Dan is back. So everybody gala figure freeze on them spot. So reefer I watch me make disease them attack me with the money so it's easy fit take over ya. Touch on me fuck about 400k.
Easy.
Make it back next year.
Easy. Yeah man, the Dan is back in town. The man said the talk around town, the Dan is back. You see me, so everybody I go free and get everybody gotta go free spot. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boss.
Everybody gala figure freeze on them spot. But so reefer I watch me make disease them attack me with the money so it's easy fit take over ya. Touch on me fuck about 400k. Then we make it back next year. Pussy them don't know this are the life.
Man, so we take over your blocker and don't know so we got the cash in nigga. You see me just for 400k like nothing now make it back in me.
So it's easy fit take over ya. Touch on me fuck about 400k. Then we make it back next year. Pussy them don't know this are the life me live like every day. Yes, me know me coulda invest in a couple real estate. But one thing when me learn in life, me know it's never fucking leave.
Easy now.
Me never
So I mash up 400k. When you see me I make it back next year. Enough say I could invest in a real estate, but I know one thing about life is never too late. Big up your blood. I mean, man. That was hard. That was hard.
Yes, me know me coulda invest in a couple real estate. But one thing when me learn in life, me know it's never fucking leave. Me never hesitate. I offer the weed, so in real life me have to elevate. Pray for see me fall because them really fear for see me great. Sip the NC fees, my pain stop live off my name.
Easy now. Easy. He's chopping. My chop, man. My chop. Yeah, man.
I bought 10 gun real cash.
Well, you can tell from his flow and his sound, this is early Swanny. Yeah, you see me I say, yeah, man.
Last night the crime rate run up by 3.
Now we run it up.
Last year my buy about 10 gun real cash. Real cash. Last night
Yeah, you see me I say.
the crime rate run up by 3. Run up by. So if them really want me have to rise the Sonic. The amount of the families.
You don't have to worry, I have to rise the sun. Hey.
Love the stitch you drop it. From me know you want me dead, you know I see me happy. You feel it like you just pop about it. What the fuck you want with? Skull about them, know we all about it. Free banana, Johnny, your bed is some killers, some morning.
Easy no. No free banana. Janda, what? Benny, some killers from home. Oh,
Fly like Scarlet.
people are lock up. Alright.
Them skin like the garlic. 4 or 5 talking on my jeans on a gathering. And I see me look evil and haunted. Me real life people, real life people.
4 or 5 talking at me. I know. Yeah, see me. When I say I know gathering, hold on there. I'm saying with a gathering.
Like 4 or 5 talking on my jeans on a gathering. And I see me look evil and haunted.
I say 4 or 5 talking at me jeans and a gathering. I'm a gun protect my life. So not real life on nothing. What you mean?
Me real life people, real life people, real life people that I Last year my bike
definitely early Swan Dan. That's a fact.
Real cash. Last night the crime rate run up by 3. Last year my bike boat
Easy now.
gun real cash, real cash. Last night the crime rate run up by 3. Run up by
Easy now. Easy now. Swan Dan. I want early Swan Dan now. Can definitely tell her early Swan Dan. You see me I say gang, let me know one thing about that one day, man. You see me I say dog I do him thing. What's a vibe? You see me I say you can definitely hear the difference. You see me Swanny back then. You see me? That was Swanny that get that was like this probably like a year ago probably. You see me what I say? Tell the growth from them time until now. You see me? Dog voice sound different, video look different. You see me? Dog way more love it. You know what I'm saying? Video quality and everything has changed since then. But yeah man gang, I know nothing about that one day. It was very Swan done. You see me what I say? So drop in the comments, let me know what's your favorite part, beat, lyrics, melody. You don't know lyrics, you don't know what video. Drop your comments, drop your requests. You already know what time it is, gang. I don't know all up the vibes. You see me? Let's chop it up in the comment section. I like the way y'all been active lately. You see me? Yeah, man. Something like when I'm active and out when man drop a video in full force. You see me? Videos are come. You see me? Break on the weekends. You see me? I think I'm gonna take Sunday to reset. So during the week, we can't drop. You see me? Just drop be a video spawn on the head top. You see me? But yeah, man. Now all the vibes with Ranga gang. Love how y'all been acting, love the vibes, love the interaction. Keep it up. Y'all know we're growing strong. We're the best man on YouTube, you know. You know, ask Christ, you know. You don't know what time it is. Hit the like button. You don't know. Cool. Next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.